Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Jaguar XF. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. We go back over here to home. You've got media, climate, phone, and the sat nav. If we click on phone, when there's nothing else connected in the car, no phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices. That's the one we want. Click on search for Bluetooth devices. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on that. Pairing Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. Bluetooth pairing request, click yes. Does the passkey match, click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro has been connected for whatever it said then, I lost it. And then if we go here, let's just have a look for Jaguar XF connected. That's brilliant.